Guardian 1, we're over it. Definitely two dinghies tied up together out in the middle. Guardian 1, looks like he's ditching one of the boats.
You broke what's on one of the boats?
Looks like he ditched one of them. There's one that's loaded with gear. I'm assuming that's his boat. And the victim's boat, looks like he might have even just pulled the drain plug on it. I see some water coming into it. Guardian 1, looks like he's got all kinds of probably stolen property in it. I see a bunch of tools, DeWalt tools, and yeah, toolboxes and just various. Looks like he got his boat started. He's broke contact with the victim's boat. He keeps having engine problems, it looks like.
Can I get a third contact here?
Do you worry to do that? Got a 6-6 on X-ray. Copy.
Marine 9 to Guardian 1.
Guardian 1.
You're on the Kitsap side, correct?
Yeah, we just made it to the Kitsap side and the guy's just making it to shore. Guardian 1.
Guardian.
Yeah, looks like Kitsap's making contact, taking one into custody.
Copy, kids up, making contact, but taking one into custody.
And an address for you is 12388 Northeast Marine View Drive on the beach.
Receive.